Hello, grade 5 students. Welcome to our lesson today, which is Top Time 1. Are you ready to know the objectives of our lesson today? Okay, by the end of this video, you will be able to identify 5 new words to use them in sentences correctly. You will be able to scan the text to get the main idea. And finally, you will be able to read to find details about Arabic language to answer true or false questions. Are you ready? Okay. First, you need to open your student book page 17 and workbook page 12 to find the lesson. Top Time 1. Follow me. Let's start with our first objective, which is to identify 5 new words. Look at this picture and tell me, what is this? This is the flag, Qatar flag. Can you see these letters? What are these letters? Yes, they are Arabic letters. Arabic. Arabic. My favorite subject is Arabic. You know, this is not just a sentence. This is real. When I was young, I used to love the Arabic subject. It was easy for me. We mentioned before that this is Qatar flag. Do you know which language do people in Qatar speak? Do they speak English? Of course they don't. They speak Arabic because Arabic is the official language. Official language means the state language, the language that people in this country speak with. People in Qatar speak Arabic. It is the official language in Qatar. Do you remember doing a puzzle? To do a puzzle, you need to connect the pieces together. To connect means to make connection, to connect between them. Now, Arabic has got a strong connection to Quran. Of course, because the Quran is written in Arabic, so Arabic has got a strong connection to Quran. I'm sure you know this picture very well. This is the Holy Quran. Excellent. This is our religion. Our religion is Islam, and Islam has a strong connection to Quran. Religion. Our religion is Islam. We are Muslims. Can you see this letter? This is letter A in its two forms, capital letter and small letter. Capital letter. Capital letter. You should start your name with a capital letter. Now it's time to practice how to pronounce the word that we have learned today correctly. So we need to listen to the words and repeat them. Listen and repeat.
Official language. Arabic. Connection. Religion. Capital letter.
It's time to use the words that we have identified in sentences correctly. Open your workbook page 12, exercise 1. You have to read these 4 sentences and complete them with these words. First, we will need to read the words in the box. Arabic, official language, connection, capital letter, religion. I will do the first one for you. Number 1. The Quran is a book about. What do you think the Quran is about? Of course, it is about religion. Now pause the video and complete the sentences with these words. I will show you the answers. Number 2, we start a sentence with a capital letter. Number 3, Arabic is the official language people speak in Qatar. Number 4, the Arabic language has got a strong connection to religion. So far, we have identified 5 new words. We also have used them correctly in sentences. Good job! Before reading the text, I want you to look at this picture and tell me, what can you see? Well, there are 2 camels and a rider. There are also some Arabic words which are written here. Perfect. I want you to tell me now, what you think the text is going to be about? It's going to be about Arabic language. Excellent. Before we read about the Arabic language, I want you to tell me, what do you know about the Arabic language? Now, I want you to skim the text to find the answers for some questions. Do you know first what the meaning of skimming the text? Well, to skim the text is to move quickly through the lines of the text to find the exact answers for the given questions. And now, we have 3 questions. The first one, how many letters does the Arabic language have? The second one, how do people read and write Arabic texts? The third one is there any connection between Arabic and religion? Now, pause the video, skim the text to find the answers for these 3 questions. I'm quite sure you could find the answers. And I'm also sure that you are smart enough to know that the Arabic language has got 28 letters. The Arabic language is not like English because we read and write Arabic from right to left. And also, the Arabic language is the language of Quran. Congratulations! We've just achieved our second objective. We could successfully skim a text to get the main idea. Now, I want you to read the text to find more details about the Arabic language. Now, you have to listen to the audio and follow along by reading the text to find the answers for these 2 questions. Is the Arabic language a new language? Which countries speak Arabic? Read and underline the answers.
The Arabic language. The Arabic language is a very old language. Today, it is one of the most popular languages in the world. It's the official language of Qatar, Morocco, Lebanon, and many more countries. The Arabic language has got a strong connection to religion. Arabic is the language of the Quran.
Let's check the answers. We need to find answers for 2 more questions. How many letters had the Arabic alphabet got? Where does the word sugar come from? Read and underline the answers.
People read and write Arabic texts from right to left. They don't write from left to right like in English. The Arabic alphabet, the Abjad, has got 28 letters, and there aren't any capital letters in the Arabic language. A lot of English words come from Arabic words. The English word for sugar comes from the Arabic word sukar, and the English word lemon comes from the Arabic word lemun. The Arabic language is a very interesting language to learn, but it is also very hard.
Let's check the answers. You need to find the answer for this question. How many words are there in the Arabic language for the word camel? Read and underline the answers.
Here's an interesting fact. There are more than 100 words in the Arabic language for the word camel.
Let's check the answer for the question. We came to the last stage of our lesson today. Now we have to check that we have read enough information and details about the Arabic language which can enable us to read the sentences and write T for true and F for false. So we have to read the 5 sentences and decide which of them are true and which are false. Remember that you need to refer back to the text and read again to check your answers. The first one. The Quran is in Arabic. Is it true or false? Of course it's true. Excellent. Also, you can check in your text and you will find Arabic is the language of Quran. Number 2. People read and write Arabic texts from left to right. Is it true? Then how can we write English? From left to right or right to left? So it is false. We write Arabic from right to left. Number 3. Many words in English, for example, the word sugar, come from Arabic. That's true. And you will find it in the text. A lot of English words come from Arabic words. The English word sugar comes from the Arabic word sukkar. Number 4. Arabic is an easy language to learn. Of course, it's false because it is a little difficult for foreigners. And also, it's written in the text. The Arabic language is a very interesting language to learn, but it is also very hard. Number 5. In the Arabic language, there are only a few words for the word camel. Is it true? Very good. It is false because we have more than 100 words in the Arabic language for the word camel. Can you believe it? We have achieved our third and last objective today. We have read and found details about Arabic language to answer true or false questions. Today, we have identified 5 new words and used them in sentences correctly. We skimmed the text to get the main idea. We read and found details about Arabic language to answer true and false questions. Thank you for helping me achieve the objectives of our reading lesson. You were very amazing. Thank you again. See you. Bye bye.